When you die and pass a rental property to your surviving spouse, you're making them personally liable for any tenant lawsuits coming after that rental property. The reason being is that when you pass away with the property in your personal name and you distribute it out to them, they now hold that property in their personal name. And so when you have the tenant lawsuit coming after the rental property, it's actually coming after the owner of that rental property, which would be your spouse. And that lawsuit is able to go after any assets that your spouse holds. And so let's say you have a $700,000 tenant lawsuit coming after them. The property itself has insurance coverage of $300,000, leaving your spouse with a remaining balance for that lawsuit of $400,000. That $400,000 lawsuit judgment could be able to come after all of the assets that they hold. So they would naturally go after cash accounts first, investment accounts, and then they could either put a lien on the house that they live in or force them to sell that house to distribute, or I guess pull equity out and pay off the judgment of that lawsuit. So you're exposing them to a lot of liability. One of the ways that you can get around this is putting the rental property inside of an LLC. The lawsuit would be isolated to that LLC and give your spouse asset protection from any tenant lawsuits coming after that rental property.